tell me you love
Yan, sinulit ang kanyang version.
and that you always let it be me. To you I'm waiting.
Ayaw mag-reply.
Please let your heart break for me, and that you'll always let it be me.
Yan ang aking bahay at ang aking kaibigang nabla ko. Ayaw mag-reply.
Kakasurak.
Nakikita nyo ang aking kaibigan. Siya ay kakanta.
Trying
Pati na kami.
to get to